Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID not available in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing this type issue in your Face ID settings, that whenever you try to set up your Face ID, you see an error that Face ID is not available for you, or try setting up Face ID later. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, go for software update, and try to update your software. After updating your software, you have to try to clear your camera here, clean this area of your front camera. Once you have cleaned, try to clean this with a clear or clean cloth. And after doing that, you just have to try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone. And here, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open the settings app, go for screen time section, and here go for content and privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. Again, go back. Now this time go for Face ID passcode section, enter your iPhone passcode, scroll down and look for this reset Face ID option. You have to try to reset your Face ID. Once I have reset your Face ID, go for or reset up your Face ID, or you can also try to change your passcode for security reasons. You have to change your iPhone passcode, and after that, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, so you just have to contact with the Apple support team. Not true that you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use the Apple Support app. Select your iPhone from here, select this more option, look for Face ID option here, select that, and then wait for this loading. And here just select this, get more help. Select call us. After that, you'll find the phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple's support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.